Hey everybody, Eden the Esthetician here, and we are back with another day of our skin detox. And one thing that we don't eat enough of is raw vegetables. I'm guilty of it too. We are eating every single thing there is to eat but the salad, okay? But today all that changes because we are gonna make a raw chopped salad and you are going to absolutely love it. Since this is a completely raw salad, the first thing we want to do is make sure that we clean everything thoroughly. So get your fruit and vegetable wash, your vinegar, your baking soda, and get busy. We need this to be very clean. So a major part and component of this raw salad is going to be kale. And then I have carrots, I have cucumber, I have broccoli. Yes, the entire broccoli, the pieces of the broccoli that you always want to throw away. We're going to be using those two today, so hang on to that. And then we're going to add in some cabbage, some walnuts, and it's going to be amazing. The key to making this salad culturally correct is going to be to chop it up into very fine pieces. That's what makes this salad like doable. We're not chugging down and chewing on big chunks of broccoli stalks and kale, because to be honest, we don't even really like this stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? We're just easing our way in. So to ease our way in, we're going to chop it up into fine pieces and it's going to be great. The process is very simple from here. We are going to chop up the kale, the cucumbers, the broccoli, the carrots, the walnuts, the cabbage, and we're going to put it all into a bowl. Add a little bit of seasoning in it because you know we like seasoning, okay? You're gonna drizzle your favorite healthy dressing on it and it tastes really good. I mean, one day I actually put some purple grapes in it, and I'm not even a grape in the salad type of girl. I mean, it's like one or the other. Okay, I don't mix, okay? It's one or the other. But I put grapes in it, I was getting fancy, and I actually really loved it. So it's a few different things you could do with this recipe, but I promise you it tastes so good. I promise. Like, hit the subscribe button, post a comment. If you try this out, tell me what you think about it. I really want to know your thoughts because I think this is doable. A little bit goes a long way.